The 16th Asian Financial Forum opened in Hong Kong Wednesday, with participants highlighting the importance of cooperation in promoting economic growth. The two-day forum, organized by the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region Government and the Hong Kong Trade Development Council, is attended by more than 200 business representatives from around the world.
Hong Kong being an international financial center, and the mainland is critical for China's continuing success, and Hong Kong's continuing success is relying on the motherland's support and the activities there. So the opening up is great. It is gonna be is a big part of why Hong Kong is successful.
I think that the interest coming to Hong Kong and raising now, we see like investors coming from developed markets, and this is the unique role of Hong Kong. You know, it's itself very coordinated and financial center in Asia, but also is a door for China mainland.
In Asia, we believe that Hong Kong is the main center of the fintech industry. And we thought that we will find a lot of partners and customers here that will be interested in this kind of a solution. We'll be leveraging also to taking the fintech industry forward.
我觉得其中国内有真的很大的市场，然后它现在也有很多新公司，这个做 AI 啊，做这种所谓高科技，所以其实他们也最终需要这个资本的，所以其实香港作为这个桥梁是有未来更大的这个好运，对，我也继续看好。